So today I'll teach you how to hold the bow. First, what I like to do is start with a pencil when I'm teaching. And then I take the right wrist, your right hand, and just let it droop over the pencil. So let it go, relaxed. Make sure there's no tension in the right hand. And here you have the basis or the beginning of a bow hold. So what you'll want to do is now attach the thumb to the bottom of the pencil, making sure that your thumb is bent, and then place your index finger over, along with the next finger, your ring finger, and then your pinky goes on top of the bow or the pencil. So now we're ready to do this with the actual bow. So when you're starting to first learn how to hold the bow, it's always a good idea to hold it first with your left hand, just about in the middle. Okay? And then we take our right hand and we do the same thing. Just let it relax over the bow stick. Now we attach the thumb to the frog, or actually we attach it here, right between the frog and the leather grip. And then we put down our index finger, let it droop over the bow, next finger, middle finger, or the ring finger, excuse me, and then the pinky on top. And you want to make sure that this grip is firm, but it's not tense. Okay? So your fingers are firmly attached to the bow without tension, making sure that the wrist is never too high, but rather just right there. And that's your bow grip.